Hi, ladies and gentlemen, this is Singi, aka Singilixious, Longa. Okay, I'm back. Guess what? You know what? Namuntlha nimitisela mahungu yo akamiri. Namuntlha nimitisela timhaka ta ku ri our king, the song rapper. Imani ku nga va mani handle ku nga ri Mthimbani. Okay, Mthimbani kuna mhaka la leyi a nga yi endla the guy ne u tshova record. So lexi humelelaka i timhaka ta ku ri ku na album ya yena leyi nga ta huma hi ti 5 ta December. You know what? This guy is so amazing. I'm so impressed and I'm very proud of you, my brother. So lexi nga ta humelela i ku ri guys, I need everyone to support this guy because ya swi tiva ku ri the guy, he went through a lot in life. When I check the album ta yena leti a nga ti endla hinkwato mina ti ni twisa ku vava. Please follow Mthimbani on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter. Please, let's support the guy. The guy went through a lot. So the name of the album is True Pain. The True Pain. You know, loko hi vulavula hi ti pain, hi vulavula hi swilo swa ku tala leswi munhu a nga hundza ka swona, leswi munhu a swi faceaku even today. So what I can tell you, my brother, I'm so proud of you. Please, hi yana amahlweni na ntirho wa wena. We'll keep on supporting you. Pet record, we hit the road, baby. Cheers.
And then blind.
Yeah.
Why would tell him this title album, by the way?
Like True Pain in it. Because True Pain lands a new commit story and then like that's